Hello, I am Basvesh. In this video, I am going to talk about the transformation of sentences. Different kinds of sentences can be transformed or changed into other kinds. For example, affirmative sentences can be changed into negative. Affirmative sentences can be changed into interrogative. Imperative sentences can be changed into interrogative. Exclamatory sentences can be changed into affirmative sentences. Negative sentences can be changed into affirmatives. Now, let's have a look at transforming affirmative sentences into negative sentences. An affirmative sentence is used to make a statement. That is, affirmative sentences are constructed are used to make statements. They are used to give information, they are used to report events, they are used to express an opinion, and they are used to make a promise. The word order of an affirmative sentence is subject plus verb plus object. There has to be a subject and a verb in an affirmative sentence. And at the same time, there has to be proper agreement between subject and verb. Here are some of the examples. Ravi goes to college. COVID-19 killed many people. Prime Minister addressed the nation. She likes sweets. I like poems. I will bring it. Look at these sentences. Ravi goes to college. Apparently, Ravi is the subject in this sentence. It is followed by the verb goes. We have added the affix yes to this verb go. We have added es to go in this sentence because Ravi is third person singular. So we know that yes form of the verb is used when the subject is third person singular in present tense. Ravi goes to college. Here we are talking about an activity that is done by Ravi. So Ravi is the subject of this sentence and goes is the verb. COVID-19 killed many people. It imparts an information. It talks about the deaths caused by COVID-19. COVID-19 is the subject here. Killed, the verb, it is in past tense. And there is a proper agreement between the two. Prime Minister addressed the nation. Here also, the verb is in past tense. This sentence is reporting an event. Here we are talking about an event, that is, Prime Minister addressed the nation. Prime Minister is the subject. Addressed, the verb that is in past tense, is the verb. She writes poems. She writes poems. Here, she is the subject, writes is the verb. We have added yes to the main verb because subject is third person singular and the sentence talks about her ability. Therefore, it is expressed in present tense. I like poems. Here, the speaker is talking about his taste. Like, the verb is used in its original form because the subject is first person singular. I like poems. I will bring it. Here, the speaker is making a promise. The speaker here is making a promise. So, it can be said affirmative sentences are used to make statements, that is, they are used to give information, they are used to report events, they are used to express an opinion, and they are used to make a promise.